Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, or HACCP, sounds complicated, but here's the truth. It was never designed for chefs. It was designed for space. In the 1960s, NASA needed food that was 100% safe for astronauts. No risk, no failure, no second chance. Because in space, food poisoning is not an option. So they worked with scientists and food experts to create a system, not based on testing the final product, but on controlling the process. That system became Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, and today, it sits at the heart of food safety worldwide. But here's what most people get wrong. Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points is not paperwork. It's not a file on a shelf. It's not something you do for an audit. Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points is a way of thinking. It asks one simple question. Where can things go wrong? And how do we stop it before it does? Instead of waiting for a problem, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points prevents it. It identifies hazards. Biological, chemical, physical. Then it puts controls in place at the exact points where risk is highest. These are called critical control points, and at each point there are limits. Clear, measurable limits, like cooking, cooling, or storage temperatures. If those limits are met, food is safe. If they are not, action must be taken immediately. That's control. That's hazard analysis and critical control points. So why was it developed? Because testing food at the end is too late. You cannot test safety into food. You must build safety into the process. That is the difference. And that is why hazard analysis and critical control points matters. Because food safety is not luck. It is not assumption. It is a system designed to prevent problems before they ever reach the plate.